So this video is on how to reset your ice machine for an LG French door refrigerator. We purchased this for our family back in 2009. The model number here is the, oh, you can see it there, the LFX 25975ST refrigerator. So the problem we've been having is the ice machine sometimes doesn't produce ice. So what I've learned searching YouTube and Google was that what needs to be done is you access the ice bucket behind the ice bucket door. And for this instance here, I actually have it turned off already, but I will turn it on and I will initiate a positioning reset for the arm that works inside. As you can see, my ice is pretty low, and what I will do here is actually hold down the button for, I do not know how many seconds this is. I think it's 10 seconds, 5 seconds. Let's do it again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you'll see the lights come on. And here you'll see the arms start moving. So we can get this in focus here. And it will reset the positioning of the arm. The metal arm down there. I don't know if you can see it. Let me remove the ice bucket here. This arm here, if you can kind of tell, it's slowly moving upwards. And so what's happening inside is this arm is typically pretty flexible, and it detects whether or not the bucket's full and will stop producing the ice. So what this will do is reset the positioning on the motor. Hopefully there's nothing inside, like possibly frozen ice. I believe it's possible to take it off with these 2 screws up here and 1 screw under there, and remove it and open it up and realign the arm. I haven't had to do that yet, but if I do, I'll post another video. But as you can see, the arm is slowly moving up. So this has typically fixed my issue, and you can see the water is continuing to flow, or starting to flow again. So hopefully I'll have ice pretty shortly. And let me set, and it's set for a large bucket because I need my ice for this warm weather that we have. All right, thank you for watching the video.